Now remember, you want to inspect, make sure the gaskets are all good and make sure that they line up with the hole. But sometimes, every now and then, you'll see this. Now what happens is during shipping or when they took it off and, cause most of the time they took it off and they didn't care how they didn't treat it right. I mean, they took it off and threw it in the box or something like that and made damage to the gasket. And to repair this, to replace the gasket, you have to pop these out and, especially when the gasket is just a little bit warped. And let me show you what I'm talking about when I say a little bit warped. See, what you want to do, you want to inspect, make sure it fits with the hole. It fits with the hole. See how this one fits with the hole? And you can also see right through it. That's where the bolt hole is going to go. That's the bolt hole. That's where it's going to go. But if you look here, we got a situation. Look at this one. You see how that's all messed up right there? And like I said, that's probably from, when they took off the supercharger and put the new one on, they just didn't care about this one. Or they just threw it around, or I wouldn't say throw it around because things are heavy. But I'm going to show you a quick fix, how I'm going to fix this. You get your adjustable and be very careful with the gasket. Check this out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the adjustable. Got it. I'm going to grab one part of the adjustable on this end right here. This is the part of the gasket and the part of the body of it. And gently get this thing back into shape. And there you go. That's all it's to it. If I left it that way, I was looking for an air leak, a vacuum leak. So you can see all the holes are pretty much the way they should be. Quick fix. And so those are some of the steps that I'm going to take before I install my LSA supercharger on this car. And the only you got to be patient. Don't think I'm not excited and I want to just knock this all out and go for a ride. No. You take your time, and you can even make a checklist. I got a checklist of all the stuff that I want to make sure is done before I start this car up. Stuff as minor as even putting antifreeze into the car, because sometimes you get a little anxious and you just overlook certain things, and you don't want to overlook something that could be pretty much a disaster. That if you overlook it, it could be a disaster, because this is all about having fun. All right. So looking at the clock on the wall, or should I say ceiling, it's time for me to get back to putting this car back together. And like I said, we're going to have fun with this. We're going to get the dyno numbers and everything. Hopefully they're not too embarrassing, because, I'm doing a lot of work here. But anyways, as always, please be easy. And I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.